Here are some interesting facts and information about all the snakes in the world. Snakes are an incredibly diverse group of reptiles, with more than 3,500 known species found on every continent except Antarctica. They come in a wide variety of shapes, sizes, and colors, and have adapted to a wide range of habitats, from tropical rainforests to arid deserts. Adaptation for an affordable life. Snakes have developed several unique adaptations that allow them to thrive in their environment. Their long bodies, lack of limbs, are suitable for sliding through tight spaces and climbing trees. They also have forked tongues that they use to collect scent particles, which are then transported to Jacobson's organ in the roof of their mouths for chemical analysis. Sensory perception. Despite lacking external ears, snakes can still detect vibrations in the ground, allowing them to sense the presence of prey or predators. Their eyes, while lacking eyelids, are covered by a transparent scale called a burl, which protects them from dirt and debris. Shedding and skin rejuvenation. Snakes go through a process called ecdysis, or shedding, to shed their old, decaying skin. This process is essential for growth and allows them to remove parasites and other debris that may accumulate on their skin. Feeding and digestion. Snakes are carnivores, and the diet varies by species. Some snakes eat small insects and worms, while others prey on larger animals such as rodents, birds and even other reptiles. They have specialized jaws that can prevent them from swallowing prey larger than their head. Their stomachs are highly acidic and contain strong enzymes that help break down their food. Reproduction and parental care. Snakes reproduce sexually, with males using their barbed hemipenes to fertilize females internally. Most snakes lay eggs, but some species give birth to live young. Parental care varies between species, with some snakes guarding their eggs until they hatch, while others leave their eggs unattended. Poison and defense. About 600 species of snakes are venomous, using their venom to suffocate and kill prey. The venom is a complex mixture of proteins and enzymes that can cause a variety of effects, including paralysis, tissue damage, and even death. However, only a small percentage of venomous snakes pose a serious threat to humans. Ecological importance. Snakes play an important role in the ecosystems they live in, helping to control populations of rodents, insects and other small animals. They are also a food source for many other predators, such as hawks, owls and foxes. Conservation status. Many snake species are threatened by habitat loss, pollution and the illegal pet trade. Protecting these animals and their habitats is essential to ensure their continued survival. Snakes are fascinating and important creatures that play an important role in the world's ecosystems. Understanding and appreciating these animals can help dispel fears and misunderstandings about them and promote their conservation. Snakes are long, limbless, carnivorous reptiles of the order Serpentine. Like all other squamates, snakes are ectothermic, amniote vertebrae covered in overlapping scales. Many species of snakes have many more joints in their skulls than their lizard ancestors, enabling them to swallow prey larger than their heads, cranial kinesis. To accommodate their narrow bodies, snakes' paired organs, such as the kidneys, appear in front of each other rather than side by side, and most have only one lung. Some species retain a pelvic girdle with a pair of vestigial claws on either side of the cloaca. Legless lizards belonging to several families, such as Dibamidae, Anielidae and Anguidae, resemble snakes, but several common groups of legless lizards have eyelids and external ears, which snakes lack. These lizards also typically have remnants of pelvic chambers, which snakes do not. Claw.